In this video, I will guide you how you can withdraw from TonKeeper. So start by opening up your TonKeeper account, and then you're gonna need to click on the buy and sell button, which is in the middle of your screen. Now once you click there, by default this is going to select on buy on the top of your screen, but what you need to do is to simply click on the sell button. So there are two options. Either you can go with credit card or bank card. If you want to go with bank, you just click on Dreamwalker, otherwise click on Mercurio. For me, I will simply go for Dreamwalker and then click on the open button. This is going to take me to this particular page. So right now I don't have sufficient funds, so I cannot proceed further, but you're just gonna need to enter the amount, and this is going to show you a preview of what you're gonna get, and then you're just gonna need to proceed further and follow the on-screen instructions. So that's the way of how you can withdraw from TonKeeper.